Welcome to Douglasdale, a timeless gem tucked in the heart of Sandton. Once part of a grand old family farm, this neighborhood carries the quiet prestige of old money. Today we step inside a stunning rental home built on that legacy. Paired with a sleek new BMW 320, a perfect symbol of style and redefined performance. Welcome to the BMW G20, the second facelift. The BMW G20 launched in South Africa in 2019 at 600,000 Rand. For this newer one, you'll pay about 900,000 Rand for a newer interior, newer headlights, and a newer steering wheel. For a 300,000 Rand price difference, you still get the same performance. The 3 Series platform is built for stiffness, so it can't have a full or tilting panoramic sunroof, just a standard one. And this platform has been existing since 2015. Fun fact, this 19-inch rims will cost you around 26,000 Rand as an option. At the starting price of 900,000 Rand, it doesn't come with adaptive LEDs. You need to cough up 17,000 Rand for those. Even without options, the 3 Series is still one of the most beautiful sedans on the road. If you're wondering, this is how a stock 3 Series looks like, with no options at all. I gotta like the flat bottom steering wheel. I'm happy that BMW did this. It took them so long. The center console looks so much cleaner since they got rid of the gear knob. Another fun fact is to get the gear knob in crystal, you need to pay 9,000 Rand. No joke, guys. BMW really did a great job of putting this interior together. What I like about this car is that the leather is standard. It doesn't come as an option, but it also comes with a very hefty price tag starting at around 900,000 Rand. But the materials and choice of materials are so great. That Harmon carton that you see there, it's 10,000 Rand, so it's not free. To live comfortably with this car, you need to earn around 50,000 Rand because the repayment on this car will be around 17,600 Rand. That's if you get 11.25%. And that's for a 135 kilowatts car. So anyways, before I show you the house, look at this. Just another normal day. I'm on my way to grab a drink at a restaurant. And honestly, what's 2025 without trading? This right here, my car, is one of my biggest monthly commitments. But the crazy part is, I managed to cover this month's installment with just one single trade. Let me show you quickly how simple it is to open a trade. Now, I don't want you to think this is about getting rich overnight. It's not. It takes practice and consistency. That's why I always recommend starting with a free $1,000 demo account. It lets you practice risk-free, get comfortable, and build your strategy before putting in real money. Here's how to open a trade on Prime XBT in under a minute. Pick an asset and hit buy or sell. Choose your order type, adjust your leverage, set your stop and loss, and take profit. To close the trade, just go to position, click the X button and confirm. Take your profit will pop up instantly. And once you're ready, there's a link in the description that gives you 20% deposit bonus to get started. Oh wait, I almost forgot about the trade I placed earlier. Look at that, I already made 20% profit. What I like about Prime XBT is their quick withdrawals, so you can use platforms like Capitec Pay to withdraw very quickly. Welcome to Douglasdale, Sandton, an exclusive enclave of elegance and comfort, nested in a secure boomed-off estate. This modern family home redefines style and space. 4 bedrooms, multiple living areas, and a sparkling pool. Just minutes away from Monte Casino and Fourways, your dream lifestyle starts here. Entering the property, you get this ample of space where your kids can play football. Right next to it, you get a pool and you get a lot of trees. I feel like trees are so good because they bring a cool breeze. Next to the pool, you get your outside dining area and your braai area right there. Let's get to the fun part. let's see the house, how the house looks like, and if it does suit your taste. Welcome to this family home where it's very spacious and open planned. I like what they have done here because it looks like a waiting room and as well as a playroom. And when you look straight, it leads straight back to the pool. This will be a semi-finished property available for rental. So what you see here will be mostly available. This is for the people that just want to move in and bring their bags and not deal with furniture. You get 3.5 bathrooms, and here is the half bathroom. So this bathroom is used for guests. Guys, when I say this property is open planned, I really mean it. And it's so much very spacious. Like this section alone looks like a 1-bedroom apartment. Here you get your dining room and you get your living room. Remember guys, this property is semi-finished. So most of the things, you'll get them here. You just bring your bags and you have a home. Entering the kitchen area, which is also very spacious. The women will love this one because there's so much cupboard space. What I like about this as well, it comes with all the appliances. So you get a gas stove and an electric stove. You also get a mini bar fridge where you can put all your drinks. This is a pajama lounge where you guys can chill as a family, play games and watch movies as well. Now entering the first bedroom. So I gotta walk up to the passage and here is the first bedroom. Judging by the sheets on this bed, this house was actually used for Airbnb and bookings.com, but the owner decided to now rent it out. It has enough cupboard space and it's also an ensuite. Most of these bedrooms are ensuites, and let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a modern finish with the toilet and the shower as well. I also like how spacious this bathroom is. You also get this frosted window on the left so people can't see what you're doing inside. Heading out, we're now going to your second bedroom. So we're just gonna head straight up and voila, here is your second bedroom. What I like about this bedroom, it has this big window where it shows your outside garden. Next to the window, you do get your wardrobe, and this wardrobe is so much bigger than the last bedroom. And let's check out the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks like. The bathroom is very identical to the previous room. Same design, same style. Remember when I said all the bedrooms are ensuite? I lied. This bedroom doesn't have an ensuite. So I guess this bedroom is for like your child. Now let's get into the master bedroom. I always love the master bedrooms because they're so big and they put so much effort in them. Guys, look at this space. Walking straight ahead and on your left, it comes with this semi-walk-in closet. Guys, look at this cupboard space. I don't know how many shoes and clothes you can fit here, but you can fit a lot. And here is the bathroom. So tell me what you think about this bathroom. In my opinion, I think that the other bathrooms are so much better than this one. This bathroom just kind of like show its age. Now, if you're planning and living in this house, it will cost you 40,000 Rand per month. And if you just bought your new 320i, it'll cost you a total amount of 58,000 Rand. That's before putting petrol, insurance, and all the other things. If you got this far to the video, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. More is to come.